Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. My friend, let me ask you, how do you feel if you could work anytime you choose, from anywhere you choose, and doing something you love? You love it so much, you forget to eat. Can you imagine? You will love something so much, you're working busy, 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 you forget that, oh, I have to eat. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about today, because I'm talking about niches. We call them affiliate marketing niches. These are products or categories of things, and I'm hoping you'll find something you like, and we're going to show you how you could make money with it. Okay, if you're new here, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA, and I'm very passionate about this. And I'm happy to report that I'm doing the thing I want you to do, because I'm working from anywhere I choose right now, my home. I'm working anytime I choose. Some obviously need 3 a.m., but I'm choosing to work at that time. And I'm also doing something I love, which is this, sharing what I know with you, sharing tips to start your own business, those kind of things. Okay, so if all of that sounds interesting, and also I talk motivation. Recently I was motivating you, saying, yeah, believe in yourself, you can do this. That's the most recent live that I did. And also I talk about personal development, how you get better as a person, the skills you learn, the habits you pick up. So that's what this is all about. Consider subscribing to my channel if you really care about a better life, and clicking on the bell so you get reminded when I'm live here. Sometimes when I have a video, I have a short. Yeah, so please subscribe only though if you really care about seeing me again. If you don't want to see me again yet, that's okay too. Just like this one. Consider liking this one after you watch what I'm about to share. So what I'm sharing is categories of things. Hopefully as I list them, you're going to see that, yes, I care about that. Maybe you used to care, you forgot. I'm about to remind you. Something you used to care about when you're young. Now it shows up as a category. I say, how do I make money with it? I'm about to show you how you make money with it, and also how you start. Okay, I mean, how you learn. So let's go. What I'm talking about here is called affiliate marketing. You've seen it everywhere. Every app you open is affiliate marketing, and TikTok Shop took it to another level because they are talking products all the time. But here on YouTube, Instagram, everywhere, Facebook, they're all, anyone, when you see someone talking about something and they didn't do, it's not like they own it. That's what's going on. They are promoting products owned by other companies, and they're getting paid. It's more common on TikTok, and here also YouTube. So once you see the category, the thing you like, as I list the categories, by the way, I did 75 categories. Although I removed 2, I didn't feel comfortable showing those 2 on my screen here. One of them was alcohol, spirits. They had spirits on there. And then dating. I didn't think, I'm an older mom, I didn't want to put dating. That means I'm encouraging you to go do that. But you may see other things maybe you may not agree with. Put in the comments if you see something else that I left there. But those 2 are blacked out. So instead of 75, we have 73. Okay? Now, as I list them, please, if you have a pen or paper somewhere, note them, or you have to review this video and go back and note. I want you to pick anything you like. I'm going to put them on the screen and go through 10 at a time. Go through the whole list. I'll pause here a moment so you can go through the whole list to go to another one, and come up with a list. And then after this video, I want you to take some time and go research. Check YouTube, check Instagram, check TikTok, see, you Google, see what are other people doing. You're gonna say affiliate marketing niches. Okay. When you see the category I give you, check in where you check, call it, put affiliate marketing on it. They're doing affiliate marketing with this category, and see what comes up, what other people are doing. You're going to be inspired. I think when you see other people doing it, say, yeah, I could do that. Okay, let's start. The first 10 categories. Remember, these are affiliate marketing niches, and then I'm going to show you how you make money with them, and also how you start. So the first set of 10, they're going to run from 1 to 10. Then 11 to 20. Then 21 to 30. And then 21 to 30, 31 to 40. 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, and 71 to 75. As you're watching this video, you could, I tried to be slow, but I couldn't be too slow. I think that's slow enough. You can review this video again. You can pause it and pick the categories. So how many did you find? So please in the comments, when you watch this, especially those watching the premiere, please don't forget to add a comment. Add a comment. Which ones do you see that the things you really like? Although you don't know how you make money with them, okay, this is how you make money with them. Whatever you choose, you can straight up go just research which products you can be promoted under that category. Like for example, under food, if I was the food maybe. By the way, when you see people talking about affiliate marketing niches, they say mainly that 3 categories. You see them talk about health, wealth, relationships. That's the main categories. But recently, because of social media, people have grown them. You see how many there are? There are too many. But still, they fall, all those you can put them in the main categories, which are health, wealth, and relationships. So you may wonder relationships, for example, a camera can fall into relationships because people take photos because of relationships, to share their friends, to look good, stuff like that. So someone was explaining that that's how a camera would fall into relationships. So most of those things, if they don't fall in health or wealth, they fall in the relationship category. Yeah, it's weird, but actually that's what it is. Because you may think it's relationship, the real relationships. Actually, they say anything else used by people is also in that category. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to find that there are products that go with that category. You could promote that product, especially like on Amazon.com. Those products, you can sign up and promote products in that category. But the other thing you could do, even if you didn't sell those products, especially if you are like on YouTube, you could just review them. For example, a simple thing like Pepsi Cola and Coca-Cola sodas. If you say Coca-Cola, Pepsi versus Coke, then you review. When you are reviewing, you don't have a side. And when you are reviewing with the intention of not promoting them, you are more honest. So just say honest review. So it could be people, okay, Android and Apple and Android. So whatever thing that the contrast, you can just be, that's all you do. On your YouTube channel, you decide that I'm comparing things. This versus that. You just review things. Or you just review that one thing without comparing it to another. You just say, okay, this phone just came out. Okay, it's like this, the feature, this is good, this is not good, but you're not promoting it. That means you're going to be paid by advertising, like here on YouTube. If you get enough hours, the YouTube will pay you. You see what I mean? But for me, I'll say the affiliate marketing is better. It makes money faster. When you are really reviewing the thing, you say, okay, this camera is good, or like this. If you want to get it, click a link in my description and you send them to Amazon.com. That's faster. But the other one of reviewing without recommending is also good. Or you can review and still recommend, but there is a bias there. You see what I mean? You'll say, okay, between this one and that one, I would choose that one. And then I have a link for you. That would work. So all those items you saw, you can figure out a way to make money with them. Because money is made online by the audience. If you can have an audience, a large audience, especially those kind of things. But when you have a small audience, you'll see what I do. I'm going to recommend what I do at the end. What I do doesn't require a big audience. But those other things, if you want to make money with them because they pay small commissions, then you need a large audience. If you want to know how to start, you're going to first start by learning how the internet works and how to make money online in general. So I have, if you are in the US and Canada, Europe, Australia, like that, those countries, saying there is I'm putting a link to a 5-day challenge. The 5-day challenge will show you how you begin marketing on the internet. But if you're not in those countries, I have another link that takes you to me, my community. And my community I'll suggest what's good for you, but only if you're not in West Africa. The other countries, the partner with Anthony, I could recommend that for you to just learn how the internet works. How do you start posts? How do you deal with the internet if you are promoting something, if your intention is to make money? Okay, so connect with me, the community. But those of you who are going through the 5-day challenge, also you notice that I'm asking for your email. You are connecting with me too, so that you learn, and then I'll advise you. But if you go with the challenge, especially if you're in USA, I'll say before you even think about promoting all these things that I just showed you, you're going to start by promoting the challenge itself to make faster money, because this is called high ticket affiliate marketing if you choose to do the challenge, and the commissions are really good, much better. But as you do that, then you can start combining it with the rest of the other stuff. Let's assume you love clothing. If you like promoting clothing, you could start with the digital part, the other one, the challenge, you're promoting that, and then later you can add in the clothing. You can niche, go to your, in fact, it would be advisable, for example, if you are a Muslim and you want to sell this kind of clothing to ladies, you can combine the two. You can do the make money online, and you can also do, you say, no, I care about fashion and all that, then you add in the clothing. The two topics go together. If you are like health, you can still bring health and bring in making money, because the one I'm talking to you about is about making money online, and everyone wants money. I haven't found a single person who doesn't like money. So that's the easiest way to start. In fact, for all of you, I'll say let's start with making money, and then we'll get into the real thing we like, so we combine the two. And those of you, even if you're not in the USA, I have the partner with Anthony. He's going to teach you how to make money. He pays 50% commissions. Then, as you get comfortable, then you get into your niche. So, what do you think? Makes sense? Yeah, that's a whole long list. What did you find? Did you like something there? Put in the comments. What do you think you could do? I'm on a mission to say the times are gone. With this internet and the social media, the times are gone when you just work because of a paycheck. I have to work. I have to work. No, let's work doing something we love. But it's going to take an effort on your side, because all these things I'm talking about, they take some kind of effort to learn, and then passion to produce the videos, because we're going to say post a video and record another video. Yeah, but you see people who are doing it, and soon you're going to create a community of people who care about that thing. Whatever that thing you chose, there are people who care about it. For example, if you care about looking good or cosmetics, soon you're going to see people coming to watch your videos, because there are people who care about that. This is international, okay? So that was my video. And check the description, check the pinned comment, connect with me, and send me a WhatsApp message. So when you put in your email, you see that you check back. My name is Sherifa. You find that I have a message for you. It's automated. Text me and say, no, how do you talk about this thing? How do I learn? How do I start? Put some effort. I call it being proactive. Be proactive. Put in that effort. We're here to support you. Okay? Like I always end these, I say, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health. Check the description. Check the pinned comment. Add a comment for me. Was this, did you find something that will make you forget to eat? Yeah? Okay. Take yourself to a better you. Bye-bye.